So let's just talk about redirects in React Router. So we can redirect users to a new URL using the navigate component. So suppose we have one route with the path old home. Now whenever the users wants to go to this old home URL, then we wanted to redirect them to a new home page. So in that case we can use the navigate component, and here we can specify where to go. So we wanted to redirect to a new home page. So whenever the user wants to go to this old home URL, then we're gonna redirect them to this new home page. So let's now define one route. So whenever the user wants to go to that URL old home, then we're gonna redirect them to the new home page. So we're gonna render the element navigate element and make sure to import navigate. So here we have to import the navigate from React Router DOM. So the navigate has the two attribute, and here we can specify where to go. So we wanted to redirect them to the home page. So if the user seeks to go to the old home, then we're gonna redirect them to the new home page. So currently we are on the home page now. So if we go to the URL old home, you can see we are automatically redirected back to the home page. So we can redirect them to any URL. So we can even redirect them to the about page. So now if the user seeks to go to the old home URL, you can see now the user redirected to the about page. So we can redirect them to any URL. Now here we can use the replace attribute. So this replace will basically ensure that after the redirect, this old home URL will be removed from the history stack. This way users will not be able to go back to this old home URL. So this way we can redirect users from one route to another route using the navigate component. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.